Hello students, welcome to our digital platform. This is Dr. Raipudi. In previous video, we have seen the information regarding scanning electron microscopy where we have discussed different, the electrons are generated by using a electron gun where we can see these electrons are generated by using a filament. So now in this video, we are going to see what material and what are the different properties of that material used for manufacturing those filaments. So if you want to have a look on scanning electron microscopy, you can find link in description. So without having further delay, we will go for this information. Now, if you are watching first time this video, please subscribe our channel to get notification regarding further videos. So here the question is, what material is used for manufacturing filaments in scanning electron microscopy, and what are the properties of that material? Why we are going to use specifically only that material is used for manufacturing filaments? So the answer is the tungsten is used as a material for manufacturing the filaments, and because of it has tungsten has high grade, which are used for manufacturing these filaments, which is high grade tungsten, so which means high purity. And the next one is, among all pure metal, tungsten which is having highest melting point, approximately 3420 degrees centigrade. So which is the highest melting point, so which is a preferable to use as a filament. And this is having the lowest vapor pressure at temperatures above approximately 1650 degrees centigrade. So this is also main reason to choose tungsten as a filament for scanning electron microscopy. And it has the highest tensile strength at temperatures of more than 1650 degrees centigrade. So which can be converted into wires at high temperatures, and which can give highest tensile strength. And the another property is which is having a lowest coefficient of thermal expansion of pure metal, any pure metal. If you compare with any pure metals, which is having lowest coefficient of thermal expansion. So this the filament should have lowest coefficient of thermal expansion. And tungsten is ordinarily brittle at room temperature but at high temperatures we can make it as a wire. And these combination of properties makes tungsten as the ideal material. So dear friends, dear students, so what are the properties we have seen? What are the properties should have filament? It should have low coefficient of thermal expansion, it should have high melting point, and it should have high tensile strength at high temperatures. So these are the properties leads to use tungsten as a filament material for generating electrons in a scanning electron microscopy. So please, I hope you enjoyed with this video. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe our channel to get notification regarding our further videos. Thank you.